So what should we do if I find the smaller number in this index? Let me open this index. Assumed min is found at the ith index, but now if min is found at this index, what should I do?
Min is equal to AR of J.
Min is equal to AR of J or J. Am I saving the value or its position?
J.
So only if smaller number is found in other indexes, that means J indexes, update min as J. Okay, right? So this is complete traversal starting from I plus 1 till we have traversed it. So from I plus 1 till the last we move on. So once traversal is completed, we will find the correct position where the smallest number is found. What should we do after the traversal is over?
Go to next number. Next index.
Go to next number. I found out that smallest number is in the fourth index. What should I do?
Swap.
Swap the value at min index with value at
0.
so we are in which traversal? Ith iteration. I0. We started with I0. We assumed min as 0 only. Then we searched in 0 plus 1. 1 to 4th index. If anywhere else I find the smaller number, if any other number is smaller than the current number, then we update min as that index. So once we find out, update, completely I traverse from left to right, we have to swap. Finding which index? With ith index. Right? So we are doing a swapping logic with how many, which variables? Is it right? Is this clear?
Yes.
And if I'm searching for the smallest number, and maybe if it is here only, should I do any swapping? I was searching for the first smallest. I assume I was searching for the zeroth smallest element. But did the min value change after traversal from J1 to this one? I moved on to J1 to I compared with all the elements. Did min value change? Did min change from 0 to 4 or anything? Or is it still at 0?
Change to 4.
Is min found at 4 or is min found at 0 as of now in this amount? I am searching for the zeroth smallest number or the number to be present at zeroth index. So I assumed element in found at 0 only, but I will compare with other elements. Is there any smaller number than this number?
No.
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 Means min is found at the correct index only. Min is at the ith index only. It's not found anywhere else. If it was like this, if I find any number smaller than the current min index value, what should we do? Memorize that as, not swap, memorize that as index. I'm just like figuring out. As of now, it is present here. Then I'll check here. Is it smaller? No. Still min is this way. It's just like a brain game, just memorize it. Like whatever values were given here, if this was like this, I'm assuming that this is the smallest number present here at this point. Like position I'm remembering. Move on to the next number. Is it smaller? No. Is it smaller? No. If it is smaller, what should I do? Now min will point to which position? Initially it was pointing to this position because smaller number was here. I'll look at all other numbers. Wherever I find next smaller number smaller than this number, I should update my min as what? The new position. It's not memorizing the number, it is memorizing the position. If it is still found, if there is one more number which is smaller than -3, now min will point to which position? This position. Position it is updated. It's just like we are moving our focus. First I was looking at one. Now whenever I found a next smaller number, I'll focus on that location. Location, right?
Ma'am, so we are not taking the numbers, only location.
Yes, locations only. When should I swap? Is it correct? Simply I should not swap now. If the number is found at the correct position, should I do any swapping now? Yes. One was in the correct position. We were searching for I0 and min was started from 0. Min did not change. Yes, minimum number is found at the 0th index. So should I swap these two? Value at I with value at p? When the number is found in the correct position, should I do any swapping? This logic will take time. Today you think at home, again think what we did. Think practically, write the numbers and just understand what we have to do. Okay. So I don't have to do swapping if the number is in the correct position. It's not in some other position. Assumption index and the correct index. Both are same. Then I should not do swapping. If the smallest number is found at some other index but not in the correct index, if I and min are not matching, then only we should do swapping. Right? So swapping is done at the end of the traversal. After J loop is finished, I will check is this two values same or not. If they are not same, we'll do the swapping. And again then I will move to the next index number 1. Again I'll compare with 2 onwards till 4. Compare wherever I find smaller, I'll say that index as min index. Once I finish the traversal, again I'll check is I and min matching or not. If they are not matching, swap them. Once you finish this, I will not execute. All of you try to execute and send me the screenshot. If any mistake, you have to do the correction. Logic is clear to all or still little confusion I think, no? All of you? Slight confusion is there. How many are clear with this concept? No answers. Once
Concept is clear, ma'am.
So once the class is over, if I don't send the solution, I'll send after half an hour or 1 hour. Can you send me the solution of it? Can you send me the coding? I'll send you after half an hour. Maybe half an hour. After that, I'll send you. I'll see how many can send me this bubble sort or selection sort. And if you browse net, you'll get wrong answers. Don't see. If you see that answers, it will not be matching with our answer for sure. And you can compare our answer with the net answer later. You'll find that is somewhat wrong. You yourself can analyze it. So, fine, Karthik, is that clear to you? At least bubble sort is clear to you, Partha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us see how many can send me out of these two. Which answers you can send. Try from your side. Bubble sort and selection sort and send me the answers. Screenshots of. Right? Any thoughts? I'll explain to you. Right? I'll close the session here. Good night, all of you. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Pratik.
Thank
I
you, ma'am.
missed the class for 2 days. I didn't get the recordings.
Okay, I'll send you. Which days you remember the dates? Can
Yes,
you tell
ma'am.
me the dates, Pratik? I'll send you. Just send me, message me your dates, missing dates.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night.